Hello, I am Dr. Dalveer Chauhan, working as a consultant orthopedics and joint replacement surgeon at Alchemist Hospital, Panchkula. Today I will be talking about arthritis in knee joint in elderly population. Nowadays, arthritis is common as compared to previous population. It is because of increased life expectancy these days, and secondarily because of poor bone health as compared to previous people. Because of our sedentary lifestyle, the bony structure is not strong enough to hold our body weight. Secondarily, the cartilage make depends on genetic constitution. Genetically, अगर cartilage weak होगा, तो this will go early with age. Right? Because of sedentary lifestyle, our bones are more osteoporotic. Secondarily, dietary modifications are also there. हम लोग पुरानी तरह we don't take enough calcium intake, we don't have milk intake. So bones, they are more prone for osteoporosis. Due to this, the cartilage layer, ये brown color का जो cartilage हमें दिख रहा है, this damages with age. ये cartilage layer, this becomes thin with age. The thinner the cartilage and harder the cartilage, more friction is there in the joint. As a result of it, the pain increases. अगर नी पेन हो तो अर्लियर इन इनिशियल stages we try conservative methods only. In what happens in that, we give some analgesics, we promote the patient to use the joints, to do more exercises so that muscle layer ये strong हो, knee bypasses with strong muscles and all. We increase dietary supplements like calcium, protein intake. Once the cartilage is gone and the bones, they are nearer to each other, then in elderly population more than 60 years of age, we prefer to go in for surgery. Surgery in more than 60 years of age is usually knee replacement. This is a model of knee replacement. This is a normal model of knee replacement. This is a normal knee. In knee replacement, we don't replace the knee. What happens? We just shave off the dead and damaged portion of bone from both upper bone and lower bone. This is thigh bone known as femur, and this is leg bone known as tibia. We remove the damaged portion of the bone. Then we just put a capping over it. This is a metallic cap we put over it. Similarly, a metallic cap is put over tibia. And in between these metallic caps there is articular insert. This is highly cross-linked polyethylene. Now the articulating surface changes from bone and cartilage to metal and poly. The knee range of motion now is over metal and poly. As there is no contact of bone to bone or bone to cartilage, the pain goes with this type of surgery. This is a very good surgery having excellent results. अगर एक अच्छा proper knee replacement किया हुआ हो तो usually life expectancy is around 20 years of the joint. 20 साल तक आपका ये joint बड़ा अच्छा चलता है, right? With surgery, with exercises, the patient can run, patient can walk, patient can squat, patient can sit cross-legged. Almost all the activities are allowed in these type of patients. There are very few complications associated with this type of surgery. If we take proper care of, these complications usually are negligible. So I'll recommend to keep your bone, to keep your muscles healthy, avoid junk foods, have adequate calcium intake and be active. Otherwise, with age, your joints, they will damage, and once the joints are gone, then you have to opt for surgery. But don't worry, surgery is not a difficult thing. With surgery, almost all the patients, they improve and they can again have an active life.